Have you ever wondered what AWS Solutions Architect is and how much it can pay you? Today, let's dive into this intriguing role and its significance in our increasingly digital, data-driven world. AWS Solutions Architect is a role that requires a blend of technical knowledge and business acumen. These professionals are the masterminds behind designing and implementing cloud computing solutions on Amazon Web Services, or AWS, one of the world's most popular cloud platforms. Their work is integral in our modern world, where businesses of all sizes and industries are migrating to the cloud. AWS Solutions Architects play a pivotal role in this shift, leveraging their expertise to create scalable, secure, and cost-effective solutions that drive business success. They are the translators of complex business problems into efficient cloud-based solutions, the architects of digital transformation in a landscape where the cloud is the new normal. In essence, an AWS Solutions Architect is a bridge between complex business problems and solutions in the cloud. Now that we understand what an AWS Solutions Architect does, let's delve deeper into some of the key topics and definitions in this field. One of the fundamental services in AWS is the Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2. EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services, AWS cloud. It eliminates the need to invest in hardware upfront, so applications can be developed and deployed faster. Next, we have the Simple Storage Service, or S3. S3 offers an object storage service that allows for scalable, fast, and secure data storage and retrieval. It's like your personal cloud-based hard drive. Lastly, let's talk about the Relational Database Service, or RDS. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud, taking away the time-consuming database administration tasks. These are just a few of the many services that AWS Solutions Architects use to create efficient and cost-effective solutions. So, how much is AWS in demand and what can it pay you? The numbers might surprise you. Let's dive into the data. As businesses increasingly pivot to cloud-based solutions, the demand for AWS Solutions Architects is skyrocketing. According to a recent survey, job postings for this role have surged by more than 50% in the last year alone. Now, let's talk about compensation. The financial rewards for this in-demand profession are compelling. On average, an AWS Solutions Architect can expect to earn a six-figure salary. In the United States, the median annual wage for this role is around $125,000, with top earners pulling in upwards of $150,000. Remember, these figures can vary based on factors like experience, location, and company size. As businesses continue to move to the cloud, the demand and compensation for AWS Solutions Architects are only expected to rise. Why choose AWS? There are plenty of good reasons. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a comprehensive cloud platform that offers over 200 services. It's like an expansive toolbox, ready to meet your every need, from data storage and computation to machine learning and analytics. Furthermore, AWS boasts a robust global infrastructure. With data centers spanning across the globe, it delivers fast, reliable, and scalable solutions. So, no matter where you are, AWS is there for you. And let's not forget about security. AWS is committed to providing the highest level of security and compliance, making it a trusted choice for businesses worldwide. In terms of industry leadership, AWS is a true pioneer. It has a large and vibrant community of users and developers, constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with cloud technology. Whether you're a business looking to leverage the power of the cloud or a professional seeking a rewarding career, AWS has a lot to offer.